You are free. You are everywhere. Nothing can take you away from you. You are always this unmoving, the stillness in every movement. The stillness expressing itself as movement. You are that stillness. Look beyond form. Look, see, beyond colors, listen, beyond sounds. You see, you can hear it, you can know this. The harmony of existence, this, you are, blah blah. It's just words. It can't be known. Yet knowing of something happening in this. Everything happening in this. Nothing is outside. Everything included in this unconditional love. All inclusive. This. Impossible to describe. Aliveness. Thank you, sweetest. I love you so much. Bye.